feet up. Croatia lead, 27 minutes gone. Cross, Romeo! Oh, he met it so well. Prosinecki, falls completely, and it's gone in! Low on the far post, couldn't keep it out. Croatia. Suker made himself a bit of room, and he's been given a bit more here. And he makes it 3 in spite of the deflection. They stood off him, and Jamaica paid the penalty.
Better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Everybody standing for the national anthem of Croatia. Some performance, and now here comes the response. Quartering game this between two very high-quality sides. A treat for everybody here.
Well, get ready for some high-grade football, Peter. Two strong teams, as you say, full of wonderful individual talent. And we have every right to anticipate some really entertaining football. As to whether we'll see a high-scoring contest, that's a little harder to predict. I'm not complaining, though, because there are good players everywhere you look around this surface, and that's a fine start in itself.
So off we go then. Suker. Gets it upfield. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Tries to get it forward quickly. It's Coberton! That's a lovely try, but not to be.
That was created because of good, lively movement, which pretty much dictated the pass.
He's got away with one there. Prosinecki. Sinek. Boban. Sinek. Stanic. Gunnarsson. Sinclair. Malcolm. Aimed long and direct to the keeper and go again. Village. Forward it goes. Boban gets it back. Sinclair. Gunnarsson. He's through. A shot going for goal! And it's a goal! Oh my goodness, that has ripped the rigging.
Oh, the contact was fantastic, right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
So, a breakthrough already. Cuts it out. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
Away from immediate danger. Now a chance to break. The through ball. Cleared without complication. Ball's loose, who's getting there? That's surely a foul, free kick. Well weighted. He'll have it in! Great ball to play him in, but he will be gutted to miss that.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
Sinclair. Gardner. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. And that's going to be a booking. He just whacks it away. Floats one over, lofted into the middle. And he's there to hoof it away. He's got options out wide. In with a header! What about it? Two to the good, they have breathing space. Oh, lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, with this kind of authority, Peter, why not push on and totally kill this off?
Now it's Boban. And out to safety. well-taken goal. Prosinecki duly reaps his reward, kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
We have got ourselves a game here.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now.
He's in space and looking for options. Stanic. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. And back to base. Sinclair. Well, they could break here. Boban spreads it towards the left. Boban. Jada. Drilled in. Can he put it away? It's broken loose. Plays a clever pass. And now they can launch a counter. He's through, now is he in? Is it in? Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Played into space out wide. Oh, that's nice. Plays it into the box. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. A real chance to break. And it's Boban. Boyd. Plays it out to the wing. Assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
It doesn't take much sometimes, Peter. He has to adjust a little mistimed run.
He's had a go! Goal! They have grabbed themselves an equaliser. And however many surrounded him, that is what he can do.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as an eel the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
This has become one superb game of football.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Forward it goes. Gardner. There is the half-time whistle. And it has been a pretty crazy game so far. Being played out in extraordinary fashion, and the scoreline underlines that. What a good half. They've gone blow for blow, and it's 2-2. So we're into the second 45.
Jamaica can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Over it comes, up to meet it! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Boyd. He's got the ball glued to his feet. Chance to shoot! Crosses in a low one. Gets good distance on it.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
He's made sure that that won't get through. Back to the keeper. Burton. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Jada. Well played, he saw that coming. Hassani. Prosinecki gets on the end of it. Cleared without complication. The shot's on! They've scored! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game. And it's got through. Suker dashing forward at pace. Opa, well positioned to make that interception. Sinclair, aimed long and direct. Gardner. Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. He's had a shot! Good stop, that wasn't easy. To meet it! And that's caused a worry or two.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Hassani. You would think the first substitutions will be coming up pretty soon. He's found his man. Can he finish? Aimed long and direct. This has gone, that's a foul. And he's going to have his name taken. just whacks it away. Sinclair. He's got options out wide. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Nothing wrong with that tackle, ball won cleanly. And he's made certain that won't get through. Gunnarsson. Forward it goes. Burton. Boyd. Can he finish? Whittingham! It's a goal! They have grabbed themselves an equaliser.
Jamaica are certainly a team that knows how to play their football as stylishly as you'll see. Tiki-taka at its very best, and they back it up with goals.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
I just wonder whether they can keep it up. This may take a toll now.
Looks to thread it through. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Ball's gone out of play. Deftly done. Looking for a corner. They've played it short. Swept in. Boots it to safety. And oh! And that would have won it.
He got too ahead of himself there, thinking how he could have made things safe.
Whittingham.
Low.
Throw in. He's made sure that that won't get through. Stanic. Boban. He's got through. Trout. Stanic! Oh, the ball's come loose. Trying to get there. There are a few waiting for it. Burton. Whittingham. He's found his man. Face to face with Burton! In it goes! And late in the day, a telling moment. So we have our breakthrough.
Look, experienced voices need to be heard now, along with good purpose and urgency, and they can get right back into this.
Chance! Out to the left it goes.
Croatia need to give it everything they have, kitchen sink included.
That's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Gets it back. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Hassani doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And time is up. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough.
Credit to them, they upped their game in the end, and I thought they got what they deserved.